how to change Facebook Messenger group chat theme. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Messenger application. Here in Messenger homepage, okay, now you can select the group chat you want to change the theme. Okay, so for example, I change the theme of this Kabili family group chat. So okay, I change the theme of this group chat. Okay, to change, you'll have to do is tap the name of the group chat on the top corner. And after that, here in customization, you can see the theme. Okay, you can tap this and the theme is set into googly eyes. Okay, to change this, okay, you can scroll down for more theme available. So for example, I change into J-Hope. Okay, you can see the preview of this theme. So if you want to change this theme, you'll have to do is tap the select button below to set this J-Hope theme on your group chat. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the theme of your Facebook Messenger group chat. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.